Is April 14th. Yeah, that's what I said too. That's what I said too. Yeah, I got his number. Maybe I'll give him a call and see if he can get me any sooner. Yeah, I'll call him tomorrow and see. Well, I told him that I had kind of an emergency situation, that my blood sugar was acting all funny, and she's like, well, the soonest thing you can get you in is April 14th. Do you want the appointment or not?
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's what the plan is. Okay. Well, I'll give him a call tomorrow and see if I can get in. Alright.
That's fun.
Oh, it can't hurt. Alright, well, good luck tomorrow, and I'll give you a call probably tomorrow night and maybe head down this week.